thought joining the LAPD at 40 would be the craziest smile-like crisis ever? Well, John Nolan did it and somehow is still hooked 8 seasons later. The Rookie isn't just a cop show anymore, it's a whole roller coaster of survival, family, and second chances. And season 8, oh, it's about to test everything we thought we knew. You're watching Screen Explain TV, where the screen speaks and we explain. Let's break down the Rookie season 8 because trust me, there's a lot to unpack. So let's rewind for a second. From day one, John Nolan proved that age is just a number, but danger doesn't care. Across 7 seasons, we had seen him go from the rookie joke to the guy everyone turns to while things fall apart. Alongside him, we've got Shenford's slow burn romance, Bradford's transformation from hardcore to human, and Harper fighting to balance motherhood with a badge. Season 7 left us with some serious seeds. Nolan's leadership is stronger, but also way riskier. Shelford fans got their share of highs and heartbreaks, and that undercover sting is set the stage for bigger threats heading into Season 8. Now what's next? Season 8 is due to push the team into darker cases, ones that don't just test their badges but their morals. Think corruption, political pressure, and maybe even an internal betray. Fans are whispering about a major character exit, and I don't know about you, what that could flip this squad's dynamic completely. And then there's Shelford. The fandom is divided. Will we finally get stability, or are we headed for another heartbreaking twist? If social media buzz is anything to go by, Season 8 might just give the most dramatic Shelford arc yet. As per Nolan, Season 8 could explore whether he stays the rookie spirit or becomes the mentor for real. Is he finally stepping into the leader role full-time, or does the show throw another impossible test his way? And let's not forget that every season of The Rookie has surprised us with shocking guest stars and crossover-style episodes. Season 8 could easily bring in new recruits or even familiar faces from spin-off series like The Rookie Feds. Imagine the chaos if those worlds collide again. More firepower, more politics, and way more drama. What really excites fans, though, is the possibility of deeper personal arcs. We might see Harper's journey as the mother's police officer takes center stage, or Bradford confronting his own demons in ways that shake his tough exterior. These aren't just light plots, they are the kind of emotional wheels that make The Rookie more than just another cop drama. So buckle up, because Season 8 isn't just another ride, it feels like the season that could redefine what The Rookie stands for. And if you have got a wild theory or maybe a Shenford predictions you're dying to share, drop it in the comments below and I'll be checking them out. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and if you had fun breaking this down, make sure to stick around because we've got plenty more deep dives coming your way. Until next time, keep watching, keep questioning. I'll see you in the next one.